Well, it's this time of the year again. I think you can guess when that is, right? And I have to carry all this from here to here. Yeah, it's going to be the long walk for the next 3 or 4 hours, because I'm all on my own again. So I have to be honest though, I'm not looking forward to it, but here we go. It's now 11:30, the 6th of June, AM. Okay, so let's see how long we take to transfer the whole pile from the front of the house to the back. And there you go. Piled up, and it's now 1:23 in the afternoon. Of course now I need to move it all here in the shed, right? But hey, at least the wood is now securely stored at the back of the house. Now, did I do this all by my own? No. This year I was lucky. A friendly neighbor gave me a helping hand, and thanks to him we did all this. Well, he did mainly all of this in about, oh, I'd say a goodly hour. So thank you very much. You know who you are if you see this video. Thank you again, a million times. You see how easy things can be if we help each other, right? So thanks to the friendly help of my neighbor, it saved me about 2.5, maybe 3 hours work. Yeah. So all I need to do now is clean up the leftovers and then clean the house inside because it's a little bit dirty. But there you go. I'm done for today and for the winter. Yeah, it's supposed to be summer. I mean, it's the 6th of June today, so, but really the weather is not very good. Oh well, that's how those things go. So thanks a lot for watching the video and staying till the very end. I'm very grateful for that. So a little announcement. I'm not going to publish anything in July, probably, because yeah, I'll be abroad, and more precisely I'll be in Canada, in Ontario. Yeah, so if you see me walking in Kitchener, just drop by and say hi. Okay, I'll gladly shake your hand and yeah, and say hello.